Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll talk about 8a number. Okay, here given if alpha and beta be the roots of the equation, alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Okay, then find the equation whose roots are. We have to find the equation whose roots are this. Okay, we have to find the equations whose roots are given in number. Okay, alpha square, beta inverse, and beta square, alpha inverse of alpha. Okay, then see what we have to do is here 8a. Okay, we have the solutions. X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. We have given this. Let this equation be first. Okay, then compare equation first with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we get what? A equal to 1. The coefficient of x square is 1, so 1. A is equal to 1. The coefficient of x is minus 1, that is the b is how much? Minus 1, and c is minus 6, because c is a constant and it is existed in the form of minus here. So by comparing this equation we get c equal to minus 6. Also sum of the roots, we know the sum of the roots is given by alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Here we put the value of this minus b by a. Minus b is this one. Okay, then we get 1. Therefore alpha, and we can write alpha plus beta equal to 1. Product of the roots, we are taking these equations, we are solving these equations only. Okay, and we're taking the sum of the roots and the values of the products of the roots from this equation. So the value of the products of the roots is how much given? C by a. So if we put the value of the c is then minus 6 and a is equals to 1, so we get minus 6. Therefore we can write alpha into beta is equals to minus 6. Okay, then the two roots of the equation, and two roots of the equation, we have given the two roots of the equations in the question. See the questions first. Okay, alpha squared beta inverse and beta squared alpha inverse. We have given these two roots and we have to find the equations of these roots. Okay, so we can write this as alpha squared by beta, and we can write beta squared inverse of alpha by equals to beta squares by alpha. Okay, again the sum of the roots is what? Here one roots this and next roots this, so we add this. Okay, so let add, then we get alpha beta, alpha q plus q of beta by alpha into beta. We know the formula of aq plus bq. Put the formula of aq plus bq here. Okay, then if you see the value of alpha plus beta, then 1, so here we write 1 cube. Here is given alpha plus beta is how much? 1, so alpha plus beta cube is given here, so 1 cube. Then minus 3, and a value of alpha into beta is minus 6, so write it like this. Okay, then alpha plus beta is how much? 1, so write alpha plus beta into 1 by 6, because alpha into the value of alpha into beta is minus 6, so we write upon minus 6 here. Then if we add and subtract, then we get what? 19 by minus 6. So the roots, the value of the sum of the roots is equals to how much? Minus 19 by 6. Product of the roots is how much? We do the products multiplication of this, then we get alpha into beta, which is equals to minus 6 here. Okay, now see the equation. Now we know two terms here. Now we know two things here: sum of the roots and the products of the roots. No, we know here what? The sum of the roots and the products of the roots. So we can find the equations. The equation is given by x square minus sum of the root x plus product of the roots. Okay, x square by 1, the x square, we can write x square by 1. Okay, minus sum of the roots of x, then here sum of the roots is how much? In the minus 19 by 16, so we write minus 19 by 6. The product of the roots is given how much? Minus 6, so write, and if we solve this, then we get 6x square plus 19x minus 36 equal to 0, which is the required equations. Okay, so thanks.